When you are flying a DJI drone, recording high-resolution 4K or even 5.4K video at high bit rates, the humble flash memory card becomes a critical link in your creative chain. Here is a look at 3 Premier SD card options engineered to handle the demands of your airborne camera adventures.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Lexar Silver SD card. The Lexar Silver series establishes a formidable baseline for content creators who require swift, unwavering data throughput during intense flight sessions. Engineered to comfortably handle the rigorous demands of sustained high bitrate 4K videography, this card utilizes optimized internal controllers to ensure that every single frame is written smoothly without a hint of lag. Powered by UHS-1 technology, the Lexar Blue micro SD card delivers read speeds of up to 160 megabytes per second, making it easy to transfer full HD and 4K UHD files quickly and efficiently for a smoother experience. With its A2 performance rating, the card also helps improve app performance on your smartphone. Apps can load faster and run more smoothly, whether you're launching games or using everyday applications. For pilots who frequently push their equipment to the limits in diverse outdoor conditions, this card offers a brilliant balance of professional-grade speed and peace of mind. On number 2, we have PNY Premier X Class SD card. The PNY Premier X Class represents an outstanding intersection of high capacity value and reliable everyday utility for drone enthusiasts. With Class 10, U3 and V30 speed ratings, this micro SD card delivers read speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second for fast and reliable performance. It supports smooth burst mode photography and helps capture high-quality 4K Ultra HD videos without interruptions. Its A1 app performance rating also allows apps to run directly from the micro SD card, providing quicker app launches and improved overall responsiveness. It features excellent V30 and U3 speed ratings, meaning it guarantees the minimum sequential writing performance needed to prevent video buffering issues during long recording stretches. The card is also rigorously tested against the elements, boasting waterproof, magnet-proof, and X-ray-proof durability that shields your footage during travel and baggage checks. It serves as an ideal workhorse option for recreational flyers and professional backup kit bags alike. On number 3, we have Samsung Pro Ultimate SD card. The Samsung Pro Ultimate sets a blistering standard for elite performance, designed specifically for filmmakers who refuse to compromise on speed or safety. Boasting some of the fastest read and write speeds available on the market today, this flagship card dramatically accelerates your professional workflow, allowing you to copy hours of dense video files to your computer in mere moments. The PRO Ultimate Micro SD card is designed to help you work more efficiently, allowing you to spend less time waiting and more time creating. With read and write speeds of up to 200 megabytes per second and 130 megabytes per second, it provides faster file transfers, quicker loading times, and smooth 4K UHD video recording performance for the serious aerial photographer or commercial drone operator who demands absolute perfection and maximum efficiency from the field to the editing bay. This card stands as the ultimate vault for high-value media. So these are some of the best SD cards to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.